Yeah. Ride with the mob. Alhamdulillah.
And now
Check you
welcome
and me.
in.
And do your job. Bird is the name. Ben Baller did the chain. Torno for the watch. Prezi plain Jane. Yamagini chain. Rest in peace.
Tag team champions, the Dog Pound.
TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria. Mama see me on BT and start tearing up. I'ma start killing niggas. How you get that track? I attended holla picnics where you risk your life. Uncle used to skim work selling nicks at night. I was only 8 years old watching Nick at night. Uncle Psycho was in that bathroom bucket.
Now welcome into the ring. The Western Demon.
I guarantee, by the end of this match, I promise you some favors. Well, it's not a half a favor.
Ding, ding, ding.
Look, you know what? I'm gonna put this point. You're welcome, bud. Alright. It's like his fingers all his arm,
Oh, backbuster.
Oh.
Oh.
You want one?
Oh my God, another curve stomp. Oh. Oh, dirty deeds.
Hey! Do it on the box.
Oh, he's got the noodle. He's got the noodle. Noodle.
Big dirty D.
My partner's kind of. Ooh. What could he possibly be doing with that? Onto his own partner. 1, 2.
Come on, big dog. Give me big dog. Hey, get up there. Come on.
He's on the top rope.
Hey, it's on top. Get that off here. Yep. Right there. Elbow drop.
That was a mean one.
Pull it back. Throw me at a big dog.
Do you tap? Do you tap?
Football practice. Hike. Get up. Grab.
One, 2, 3. T-Dog has been eliminated.
I'm gonna start to set up. Yeah, I'll go. Maybe. Oh, who read it? But, you know, I heard some of them.
I got a surprise just for you, big dog. I'm not who you think I am. Get the fuck up. It's over with.
Hey,
It's over with. Come on. Put it up there. Get up. Get in the ring.
move, cameraman. Have a little following. They've been champions long. He's held it long enough.
Let's finish it, kid. I know what we're gonna do. Wasteland. No. Get up top. Go for the swanton.
I don't need a swan. Hit him.
My turn.
One, two, three.
Where's the title?
With you,
Nice
Wes is
working
back.
with you.
Thanks,
But
bud.
I'm out of here. My fucking title. Oh, cool. That's what I'm talking about.
Mason,
Come here.
take our time. Get this guy.
Hey, Macy. Tag team champions. End it.